How to change your WhatsApp profile picture. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp profile picture. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the WhatsApp app and navigate to the settings menu. Next, click on your profile picture. So it brings up your profile. And then next, click on the profile picture again. At the top, you can click on the little pencil. So next you can either choose to take a photo with your camera right now, or go to your gallery and choose a photo that you've already taken or downloaded. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to click on gallery. And next I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery, this one. Then I'm going to click on done. And my profile photo is updated. And that's all it takes to update your WhatsApp profile picture. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.